how to generate profits through your web radio. Hello everyone, I'm Gil Hermy from JMV Tecnologio, and today I'm here to share some tips on how you can generate profits with your web radio. We're currently witnessing the rise of internet radio and a lot of interaction through social media. This is due to a moment we're living where all companies need to be actively present online to win more customers. After all, it's where they spend most of their time. Let's discuss some points that can be vital to your radio's success. To reach a large audience, it is necessary to have programs that grab your audience's attention. A great strategy is interacting with them, allowing your listeners and viewers to make music requests and chat with the hosts, which makes them feel important to the show and the radio. Mix your content with programs featuring more talk and programs featuring more music. So you'll be able to reach as many people who just want to listen to good music as those who enjoy more interaction and entertainment. Do live broadcasts on the social media accounts for your shows, especially those with more interviews or even music. But watch out for the artist's content broadcasting rights. Through social media, you can invite your audience to check out your website, which is very important because then you can use social media as a means of attracting people to it. Use exclusive content on your website, such as running raffles and prize-winning polls. That way, people will be able to follow your content in a place where you have full control. It's also very important that your radio station be on the major streaming apps so that people can access your content more easily. Even better is to have your own app with its own audio and video streaming, just like on your website, where you can insert the ads you want. Speaking of ads, we now have an amazing tool, which is the iBopey of your streaming, where you can track the hits your streaming is having. With it, you can track real-time information, number of views, devices accessing it, the addresses where your streaming is inserted, total views, map of where your listeners are, and more. With this, you can show your advertisers how your audience is doing and how the ads are performing. And from there, generate strategies for the times when you have a lot of access and make improvements for the times when you have low access. In short, we have the perfect tool for the success of your web radio. Access our QR code and get to know the iBopey streaming. So that's it. I hope I've helped. If you liked it, leave your like and follow us on our social networks.